MPP ਅਮਰਜੋਤ ਸੰਧੂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸੰਬੋਧਨ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੈਰਾਈਟੀ ਆਫ ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਮੁਹੱਈਆ ਕਰਵਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਕਦਮ ਚੁੱਕ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਸਮੇਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੌਟ ਸਪੌਟਸ ਤੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਕੇਂਦਰਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਵੈਕਸੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਕਲੀਨਿਕ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਤੇ ਪੀਲ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਪਾਸੇ ਬਣਾਏ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿਸਥਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ MPP ਅਮਰਜੋਤ ਸੰਧੂ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਡੈਲਟਾ ਵੇਰੀਐਂਟ ਦੇ ਚੱਲਦਿਆਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਦੂਜੀ ਡੋਜ਼ ਲਗਵਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਅਪੀਲ ਕੀਤੀ।
Thank you so much, Mayor Brown, for inviting me. My name is Amarjot Sandhu, and I'm the member of Provincial Parliament from the Great Riding of Brampton West. It is so wonderful to see how the residents of this amazing city have contributed to bringing down COVID numbers by following the guidelines suggested by public health authorities. Kudos to each one of you for your incredible efforts and support during these challenging times. The Government of Ontario, City of Brampton, and all levels of government are continuing their efforts to not leave anyone behind by offering a variety of vaccination options across the system to remove barriers and reach our vulnerable residents and communities with lower vaccine uptake. This work is being done in conjunction with numerous community partners. The Government of Ontario had a great focus on Brampton, Peel, and other COVID hotspots and helped in setting up vaccination clinics at various work sites to administer vaccines to employees and communities and helping the businesses when they needed the most. Worksite vaccination centers played a key role in securing the health and safety of communities in supporting the businesses in Brampton and Peel. That said, while we need to remain vigilant, I have a hopeful optimism that our community appears to be moving out of the acute phase of this pandemic sooner than later. We currently have Youth Pad at Century Gardens Recreation Center, Brampton Civic Hospital, and Applewood Heights Secondary School. We also have Community Clinic at Embassy Grand Vaccination Center and Sheridan College Davis Campus. And with incredible community partners like Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Brampton, we're going to get another clinic up and running by the mid of July. Dear Bramptonians, as mentioned earlier, the best vaccine protection that you can get is the one that is available to you the soonest. I understand that for some people, that may mean getting a second dose of vaccine that is different than your first. In Peel's context, with historically high COVID rates and as a provincially identified Delta variant area of concern, it is critical that those who live or work in Peel get their second dose as soon as they're eligible. Public health authorities have suggested that letting the same vaccine for the first and second dose or mixing brands for first and second dose is safe and provides effective protection from COVID-19. Getting 2 doses is one of the most important things you can do to protect yourself, your family, and community from COVID-19.
ਸਾਡਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇਖਣ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨ ਲਈ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਚੈਨਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਬਟਨ ਤੇ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰੋ।